Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to change your formation to false 9 in Fantasy Premier League. So at first, what is false 9? So false 9 formation means that you have an extra striker. So generally, there are two strikers on your team like this. So if you have an extra striker, you place an extra striker and the formation is called false 9. So how do you do that on Premier League or Fantasy Premier League? So you have an extra forward right here, mine is Kane, and you need to substitute your striker for a defender or a midfielder. So I'm gonna substitute it for Mings, my defender, and after you confirm it, this is the false 9 formation. So here you can see three strikers, Kane, Mitrovic and Darwin Núñez. So this formation is called false 9 formation, and what this does is it can gain you more points with three strikers as they are more likely to score goals, and that is how you gain more points on FPL or Fantasy Premier League. So I believe I've taught you guys how to change formation on Fantasy Premier League, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.